Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I have some new items to share with you guys. I restocked the Trinity Slimline dies. So these are back in stock. They're very popular. And Slimline cards right now is a very popular trend. And I just love making Slimline cards. They're so fun. And this one makes it really easy to add scenery. So we've got clouds, grass, and a stitched hill. So they're long enough to fit on your Slimline card. That one's called Scenic Borders. And then we've got the Slimline scalloped with banners. So you get two scalloped panels there with stitching. And then some great banners to put sentiments in. And we've got this is their newest one. This is the Wonky Stitched Wilderness. So you get your wonky stitched die for your panel. And then you get all these extra pieces in here like clouds, there's a shooting star, mountains with the mountaintops, there's trees, a starburst, and some little stars there. So this one's awesome. This one's your basic stitched panel. So we've got 3 different sizes, and then you've got this great window that you can put on the inside, and it's got stitching, and it will cut the inside and the out, or it does stitching on the outside, and then it cuts a window, and then it will do stitching on the inside of the square. So that's awesome. And you can put your little critters popping out of that. You can do it this way. Just lots of fun with the Slimline dies. And I grabbed some of their embellishments, which I love their embellishments. They're so cute, so pretty. Let's see, this one is called the Rainbow Reflection Rhinestone Mix. And it's got a flat back, so you can easily glue that down. But look how pretty that is. Let's see if I can, and there's different sizes, which I love. So let's bring that on up and get that focused for you. It's really, really pretty. So we've got the rainbow one, and then there's a crystal clear one, which is beautiful. And that's a flat back. These are crystal clear. Super pretty. I think it wants to focus on my hand more than the flat back there, but it is really, really pretty. I don't know if you can see. And then we've got, this one's very popular. This is the boiled sugar jelly drops. And they look like little water droplets. They got the flat back, so it's easy to paste onto your card there. And they just capture the light so well. Looks like a water droplet. This one is the rainbow ones. I already showed you that one. Then there's the heart jelly drop, and that's crystal clear. There's several sizes in there. And then this is the Love Bug Bunch. You get 2 different sizes of ladybugs in here. So you get a bigger one and a tinier one. They're really cute. And you can just paste those onto your card if you wanted, or use them as shaker bits. You can mix them with some sequins. This one is called Limon. So it's got lime and lemon pieces in here. And then this one is the Happy Mail, or Sending Love clay embellishments. And they got little envelopes and little clay hearts in there in red and white. Those are super cute. So that's what we have for Trinity. For Waffle Flower, I grabbed the new release from the collection Around the World, I think it's called. So you get 3, or there's 3 available. This one is the Germany one. So you get all the little elements with the little houses. Prost Germany, it's called. So there's 3 in this collection. This is the Germany one. And then we've got the Russia one. And then the Mexico one. So I think these are really cool. If you take a look at the Waffle Flower YouTube channel, you can get some examples on these. They made some really cool cards. And then I do have the stamp and die set available. So with Waffle Flower, they give you a little pouch. There's a magnetic sheet on here where all your dies are on. The dies are already cut. There's no little notches that you have to cut, so I like that. And this is pretty heavy, so you get the pouch, the stamp set in the packaging, and then your die set. So there's all 3. And then I have Simon Hurley's new release. So he's got 3 new stamp sets. So these are large. This one here is called Cakewalk. There's 32 pieces in here. We've got his famous little bear there. We've got some ice cream cones. There's smiley faces that you can add to his stamps. We've got balloons. There's a solid balloon in case you wanted to stamp these in colors. We've got little sprinkles that you can put on your ice cream or cupcake. And there's little arms, so you can make the little ice cream or cupcakes into little smiley faces. So with arms and feet and stuff. There's the feet. There's a little party hat you can add, a cherry. And then we've got the sentiment, have a very good birthday. Life is a cakewalk with you as my friend. You're how old? You're so sweet. Have your cake and eat it too. You want a piece of me. Happy birthday. Surprise, you melt my heart. Happy birthday. I scream, you scream. We all scream for ice cream. And let's get lit. And then his second set here is called Home Run. And this one is very unique. I haven't seen really a baseball themed stamp set. So you get that fence, the wired fence, and then so you can switch out different heads. I think he has other stamp sets with different heads. You're a catch. Thanks, Coach. Thank you. Happy birthday, Slugger. Thanks for pitching in. I glove you. Catch you later and home run are the sentiments. And then you have a road trip one. So this one has a cute little car with critters hanging out the windows, palm trees. We got a little plane with some critters, some luggage, and then these large sentiments. Let the adventure begin. Sending sunshine and hugs, sending sunshine and hugs in a different way. See you soon. We've moved. We will miss you. Road trip. Miss you. I'm only one trip away. And are we there yet? So fun stuff from Simon. And then I did restock some of the Nuvo. So this one's back in stock, the Sunray. And this is the shimmer powder. This very large Nuvo drop. This one's the Ivory Seashell. Very pretty metallic color. And then this is a new color. This is Carnation Pink. And then we have the Lunar Rocket in shimmer powder. So that's all the new items that I have listed for you today. You can use my coupon code Jamie for 10% off your order. And I'm still doing free shipping with orders over $35 for US orders. My Pup in a Cup is almost sold out again for the third time. So I did already reorder it. So if you do see it sold out, it will be back in stock by June 10th. I do have a giveaway I need to pull. I need to do the giveaway winners for my Facebook page and also my monthly giveaway for all my customers for the month of May. So I will be doing that. So if you haven't checked out our Facebook group, it's called Scrappin' Stampers on Facebook. You can search Scrappin' Stampers, it should come up, or it's in the description box down below. We'd love to have you over there. We do monthly challenges. Every month we pick a theme and do a card, and one winner will win a $10 code to the Not Too Shabby shop. So it's a nice little group over there. I will talk to you guys real soon in the next video. Take care, guys.